Okay, for the first step, go to the Windows starting menu. After that, go to settings. In the sidebar, go to Windows Update. Make sure to check for the latest updates. After that, make the necessary moves by downloading the content and restarting your computer. For the second step, go to the Windows starting menu, go to settings, go to system. After that, go to storage. From here, you want to ensure that you have at least 20 gigabytes of free storage, otherwise your computer will start slowing down and having issues. After that, scroll down. In storage management section, click on storage sense, scroll down. After that, click on run storage sense now. This way, the system will be cleaning up the files and it will free up some space. The next step, go to apps, go to startup, and from here you want to disable every app that you use once in a while. You don't want it to be active every time you turn on your PC. Okay, so for the next step, go to the Windows search bar, type disk cleanup. After that, you want to select all the checkboxes right here. After that, select cleanup system files. Okay, so for the next step, type Windows plus R in your keyboard. After that, type msconfig, click OK, go to services. After that, check hide all Microsoft services and click disable all. After that, click apply and make sure to restart your computer.